It's time to make brown chicken stock. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees and lay out your bones evenly spaced on a baking sheet. Wash your hands to get off all those germs. Place your bones in the oven to cook for about 45 minutes to become golden brown. Halfway through the cook, take your bones out of the oven, flip them over to get a nice golden color all the way around. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications on when we post new videos. While you're flipping the bones, be careful because that fat is very hot and may burn you or a friend.
Oh, fuck!
Ew!
You burned me!
You put your leg on the oven.
You think it's funny?
Remove the bones from the oven and place the bones into a stock pot. Carefully pour off that rendered fat, also known as schmaltz, into a high heat-proof container. Deglaze your pan with a couple ladles of water and scrape the fond with a wooden spatula. Pour that fond liquid into the stock pot. Pour cold water over top of the bones, making sure to fully cover. Bring the liquid up to a boil, then turn it down to reduce to a simmer. Using a ladle, skim off all of the impurities that rise to the top of the stock. It's important to do this so those impurities and the fat do not emulsify back into the stock to give it the purest, cleanest, clearest look and flavor. Push the pot slightly off the heat and cook for another 4 to 6 hours. When the stock is finished cooking, it should be clear and no impurities left on top. Carefully strain the stock using a chinois and cool down quickly over an ice bath. To get all of the flavor out of the bones, pour the bones back into that same stock pot, put cold water on top of them, throw it back on the heat, bring it up to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, skim, 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 and let it cook for another 4 to 6 hours. Strain and ice down, and there you have it, your chicken rem. Today's recipe was brought to you by the Carol Crew from Patreon. If you want to become a patron, all you have to do is click that link below, and this will unlock exclusive voting powers determining which recipe we make next.